To operate the hot tub, we will come over to the phones or the iPad that are left for you in the kitchen area. You're going to click on the iAqua link to open up the hot tub control app. Once you do that, you should see the Jessie Spa and the little green arrow or circle there. If for some reason you don't have a green circle, there's a problem. We're losing connectivity or something. So you might have to start and stop the app. If that continues to be a problem, you need to send us a message and try and fix that for you. But otherwise, you should see a green circle there. You just go into the app. This is the main home screen. You can see at the moment nothing is turned on. Okay. It's telling you that it's 85 degrees outside and you don't get to know the temperature of the spa because it's not turned on yet. Okay, so now to use the spa, you're going to come over to this One Touch tab in the center. And really, it's just very simple. You just hit one button, you say Use Spa. Okay, once you do that, it's going to take you back to the home screen. You'll see various services came on now. So we've got it in spa mode, the filter's running, and we've got the heater running. Okay, in a few minutes you'll actually start to see the temperature of the spa, okay, as the heater heats up, and then you can come in here at any time and watch the progress of the hot tub heating up. In general, the hot tub should heat up to full 104 temperature within an hour or so. If it's extremely cold out, it might take a couple hours. Okay. If you want to control individual items in the hot tub, like the blower and the light, which those come on when you generally turn the hot tub on. I've got it programmed for those to come on, but if you wanted to control those individually, you could always come over to the equipment tab, and there you can see various aspects of the hot tub. You can turn on and off the jets, you can turn the blower on, you can turn the lights on and off. Okay, so that's how you control things individually. Other than that, when you're done, you can come back to the One Touch tab. When you're done using the hot tub, you can just hit the All Off button. You will then see that kind of turns off everything on the hot tub. It may leave on the filter, that's fine. The filter stays on just to keep the hot tub healthy and processed for you.